Hi everyone, welcome to the 92nd episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Neha from Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Siliguri, 6th semester anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Arena Animation Siliguri. Siliguri, School of Sciences hold Technokrat 23. Here's a special news feature by Vice President of Student Council Sciences, Rajashree Saha of Economics, 6th semester.
Technokrat 2023 is the 5th edition of the Inter-College Tech Fest, organized by the Deanery of Sciences, Salesian College, Siliguri campus, powered by Techni Association. With a footfall of 100 plus students from 15 plus colleges, there were a total of 12 events, namely Capture the Flag, Game Explosion, Quizomania, Code Chef, Mimopia, Debate, B-Plan, Reels, Treasure Hunt, Digi-Design, Skyscape and Potfury. So let us now ask the Technico members about their insights of Technokrat 2023. That what would they like to say about their experience on the day?
Well, to be precise, the wheel started rolling way back in November 2022 when we started off by rolling out the invitations to the other colleges, all the participants, and as well as I personally was attached to the design works for this event.
So being a part of Technokrat itself was a very memorable experience from me. I contributed to the content team, handling the food, the budget, and also inviting the participants and the judges. And there were around 100 participants this time for Technokrat, and to be very honest, the participants outperformed themselves in each and every event.
This was the 5th edition of Technokrat 2023. All the members of Techni Association have worked really hard to make sure that the event came out with flying colors, and their hard work has been appreciated by a successful end to the event.
With this, we successfully come to the end of Technokrat 2023, the 5th edition, more bigger and grand. Hoping to see you all in the 6th edition of Technokrat 2024. This is me, Rajashree, Vice President, Deanery of Sciences, signing off.
Sonada, NSS Volunteer bags 2 national certificates. Sreosi Saha of Mass Communication 6th semester reports.
English Department 4th semester NSS Volunteer Partha Roy was one of 16 students representing West Bengal in the 5-day National Youth Festival held in Hubli Dharwad in Karnataka from 12th to 16 January 2023. With some 7,500 plus students participating from all the states and union territories, the presence of Prime Minister Modi, Karnataka Governor, Chief Minister of Karnataka, as well as Cabinet and Union Ministers added prestige. On 4th day, the group set Guinness Book of World Records in yoga with over 4 lakh students doing yoga at the same time. Partha Jyoti was awarded with 2 national level certificates and also a certificate to be awarded from Guinness Book of World Records. He also took part in various events like folk dance and youth summit.
Sreosi Saha reporting. Siliguri, 43 students joined 15 schools in Walk for Blood rally. Neha Bhatra of Mass Communication 4th semester reports.
A total of 43 Salesian College students, including 35 NSS volunteers and 8 NCC cadets, participated in Walk for Blood organized by Suryanagar Samaj Kalyan Sanstha. The rally started from Bagajatin Park at 11:30 am, in which more than 15 schools and colleges participated. The main aim of the road rally was to create awareness among the public for the need and significance of blood donation. Students displayed enthusiasm and support by holding posters, banners, and distributing handbills. The rally ended at the same place with the distribution of food packages for the volunteers at 1:15 p.m.
Neha Bhatra reporting. Siliguri. Lecture on Importance of Writing References in Humanities and Social Sciences. Riya Roy of Mass Communication first semester reports.
On the 18th of January, the School of Education and Social Studies, in collaboration with IQAC and Auxilium College, Vellore, organized a special lecture on the theme of Importance of Writing References in Humanities and Social Science. Former Vice Chancellor of University of Sikkim, Professor Tanga Bahadur Subba, was the guest speaker. Principal Father George Tharithil felicitated Professor Subba, who spoke about his personal experience in the field of writing and also about the intense process of writing as a career. He also included the different styles, elements, and the 3 C's of writing: clear, concise, and complete.
Riya Roy reporting.
NIIT Holds Career Counseling. Dimpal Sharma of Commerce Department 6th semester reports.
Commerce Department organized a career counseling session under the leadership of Dr. Sumit Pradhan on 19 January 2023. Mr. Kanhaiya Sharma from National Institute of Information Technology informed students about various career opportunities in the field of data science and marketing. Some 50 6th semester students from both science and commerce deanery actively took part in the conversation with Mr. Sharma and cleared their doubts regarding the importance of technical skills in today's world.
Dimpal Sharma reporting.
Here's a special hip-hop homage to Don Bosco by student brothers from Siliguri campus ahead of his feast day on 31st January. We are grateful to Father Gilberto Sreosi and Roberto Bassetti, the authors of Da Mihi Anima's song from Italy.
You were fighting, you were praying ever since you were a child. You were dreaming, and you found that only kindness can get us anywhere. Like a father, you give shelter and hope to the young who are lost in the cold world. Through your eyes and through your hands, they knew God was there. My wish for you is to be truly happy. Now I'll wait for you to join me here for all eternity. Here's a soul bigger than the sky, the only star, it's a guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Your wisdom is simple and yet so deep. Follow your words and you will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. God, give me their soul. Humble spirit, keep shining, leading the way on the path we've chosen. We can hear your words, they're like echoes in our soul. Look around you, see your children, these are the fruits of the gift you're given. And the seeds that you have sown will never stop to grow. My wish for you is to be truly happy, and you will join me here in paradise for all eternity. So bigger than the sky, the only star that's your guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Your wisdom is simple and yet so deep. All your words and they will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. Until my last breath, my life's in your hands. 'Cause you have filled my whole heart with love and joy. And we sing Dami Animas, Dami Animas. Here's a soul bigger than the sky, the only star is a guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Your wisdom is simple and yet so deep. All your words and they will set us free. Free from the chains that burden our lives. Here's a soul bigger than the sky, the only star, it's your guiding light. Hear it sing, Dani Animas. Your wisdom is simple and yet so deep. All your words and they will set us free.
Photo of the Week. A group of Salesian College Sonada alumni with 2014 batch Sonada alumnus, Father Nanku Nicholas Besra, at his priestly ordination held in St. Michael's Church, Katihar, Bihar on 21st January 2023. Those are the latest news from campus this week. This show was brought to you by Arena Animation Siliguri. Enjoy the rest of your day.